Namaste Gurukulian. I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home. Welcome back. Physical education and sport for children with special need Divyang part 12 class 12th part 8, and it is chapter 4th of for the plus 2 class. In previous part we completed about ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, SPD, sensory processing disorder, or ASD, autism spectrum disorder. So today we will do at first ODD. These all are the disorders. Okay, ODD. ODD means oppositional defiant disorder. Oppositional defiant disorder. Defiant disorder. In this disorder, where from this word we can understand always opposite means a child who is having this disorder, he show we can say anger, frustration, irritability, disobedience, no compromise with situation, or we can say arguing with other. Okay, I think this spelling little bit mistake is there, check it. Anger, frustration, irritability, disobedience or disobedient, we can say no compromise with situation or others, arguing with others, always arguing, means these type of child always having a opposite side. Suppose I am saying go from here, always they will move from here and there. If we talk about in a class, we can check out the person who is having a ODD, oppositional defiant disorder. They will not listen teacher. They used to always take side, opposite side from the teacher. They have always question on the implement programs. They have always questions why this system is working like this, means everything they want according to them. Everything. Okay. So it is also a characteristics of this ODD, oppositional defiant disorder. But one more thing is there. In all child we can say these type of behavior are there, but on particular situation when things are really wrong, the normal child show that oppositional behavior on that time when something is happening with him or something happen with other, that is wrong. But the person who is having ODD, they are we can say we can observe them always they are look like frustrated, always they are look like they are angry, or when we going to talk with them they start arguing with them. They are not obeying the order. Suppose at home parents are saying them do this, do that, they always oppose them. Why I have to do, I am not a servant, like these type of argument they will show to the parents or other elder people. So these are the characteristics of oppositional defiant disorder. Symptom of this disorder. What are the symptoms of this disorder? First one we can say short temper, or we can say anger. This also a particular symptom we will see the person who is having ODD. Second one, arguing behavior, argument with other, fighting with other child. Fourth, irritability, always irritating. Next we can say disobedient. They will not obey anybody, always they show the disobedient behavior. Sixth one, hateful, like they are showing a behavior, they hate everybody, they are not we can say behave normally. 7, frustration, okay. Impulsive in action, impulsive, okay. Tendency to blame others, means something they did wrong but they have a tendency to blame others. In psychology it is also a, we can say, stress management technique. In games also, when we lose the match we blame others, we blame referee, umpire, we blame coach, but we are not accepting our mistake. It is a stress management technique, but wrong one, okay. These are the symptoms. Some more symptoms are there. Poor concentration, low self-esteem, or we can say no adaptation, no adaptation. One more will be there, means they cannot adjust themselves in the society. Causes of this ODD. Cause, here we can talk cause. First one is genetics, means through genes, inherited through heredity. These type of disorder a child gets from the family members, not only we can say from father or mother, from grandfather, grandmother, or from mother side, that we can say father-in-law sides, nana nani, from them they will get this disorder. Second one, environment, environment. Environment. Sometime our environment means, here he is talking about not like that natural environment, okay. Environment, here we will talk about the family environment, means any type of dispute is there in family or in two family. Sometime what happen, there is a no understanding in between mother and father, mother or father. Cause of that, these type of disorder take place in the child. It's happen lots of time in the family, but on that situation there is a responsibility of mother and father. They have to solve their problems, means separate from the child, means don't show their problem, don't show their dispute, don't show their argument to each other in front of their child. Every time the guardians, the parents have to show a understanding behavior, understanding relation in front of the child. Same impression gone on the child that they will also follow the same type of behavior in the future with others. So it is also impact. So here environment, it is talking about the social one. Okay, social one means family, society, or we can say full state. If we can say frustrate behavior sometime cause political reason also, terrorism also. Okay, something happening wrong with somebody, cause of that also these type of disorder, ODD, oppositional defiant disorder, took place. Neurology, neurology means abnormality in nervous system, we can say, or we can say neurotransmitters. Abnormality in neurotransmitters or neurosystem. Cause of any injury also it can take place. Accidents, any physical injury a individual got caused in childhood, so cause of that when a child in the child is in the womb of the mother, means garb mein hona, on that time if any injury, any accident take place with the individual who is pregnant, or its impact also go on if they are pregnant. So that is also we can say a reason. So for this oppositional defiant disorder, this much. Next we will do OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. OCD. 5 disorder we talk about: ADHD, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder we complete, SPD, sensory processing disorder we complete, ASD, autism spectrum disorder we complete, ODD, oppositional defiant disorder we complete, or now last one is left, that is OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, that we will do in the next part. So तब तक के लिए सभी को नमस्ते, take care of your health, thank you.